Have you ever felt like you're swimming in fog? Just completely lost, with no clear path forward. It's like your mind is a tangled mess of thoughts, and you can't find the one thread that will lead you out. You try so hard to push the fog away, to find that perfect clarity, but it just seems to get thicker. What if the goal isn't to clear the fog, but to learn how to swim in it? To navigate the uncertainty with a little more grace, a little more trust in yourself. We all have that voice in our head, the one that replays our mistakes and points out our flaws. But what if that voice isn't telling the whole story? We become our own worst critics, editing our memories like movies, cutting out all the good parts and leaving only the scenes where we stumbled. We focus so much on what we did wrong that we forget all the times we got it right. So, how do you stop being your own worst critic? Maybe you start by becoming your own kindest friend, by treating yourself with the same compassion you'd offer to someone you love. It's about changing the story you tell yourself, the inner narrative that plays on a loop, because loneliness isn't just about being alone. It's about feeling unheard. It's that deep, aching feeling that no one truly understands what you're going through. But sometimes, the first person who needs to really hear you is you. To listen to your own heart, to acknowledge your own pain, and to offer yourself the comfort you've been seeking from others. The quiet moments are where we can finally listen, not to the noise of the world, but to the whispers of our own soul. It's in that quiet space that we find our strength, our peace, and our way forward. Thank you for watching. If this resonated with you, consider subscribing for more conversations.